After 100 days of returning to the capital, Governor Gwendolyn Garcia emphasized the developments of the province and highlighted, among others, her controversial move to remove JOs and casual workers from the provincial government.
Today is the 64th year that God has blessed me to live and serve our brothers and sisters of Cebu.
Under the leadership of Governor Gwendolyn Garcia, Cebu Province projects to have at least 4.44 billion pesos in assets, revenues, and savings. One of the highlights of the report is the repossession of land properties in Cebu IT Park and a provincial lot along Salinas Drive.
This is also the 104th day since I assumed office on the 1st of July this year. And it has been quite an interesting, exhausting, yet invigorating 104 days.
Garcia also mentioned different mitigating and regulating solutions she has done to uplift the province, industries, and resources. For MyTV Cebu, this is Litz Caballero.
Si Governor,